guys, welcome back to Whole of the World Scuba. I'm Captain Greg Schuler, and today we're going to be showing you how to find the elusive Snoopy insignia inside the Spiegel Grove. The Spiegel Grove is a 510-foot landing ship dock that was intentionally sunk off the coast of Key Largo. It is world-class diving. There are plenty of people that go out there every day. Horizon Divers is the operation I would recommend. They're very knowledgeable of the dive site, and like I said, they go out there every day. Before you go out there, if you're looking to find this Snoopy insignia inside one of the hallways, what I would recommend doing is picking up one of these Reef Smart dive cards and kind of studying the layout of the ship. So the area that we're going to be focusing on is this U-shaped hallway on the second level. If you're going out with Horizon Divers, they have a much bigger version of this and they can kind of go over it with you before you dive. But it's a nice way to add a little spice to your dive if you've seen, the outside plenty of times. But don't forget that this entire route is inside of an overhead environment. So even though this wreck was sunk for divers in mind, there's plenty of access holes in the sides and everything. You have to remember you're in an overhead environment and it's dangerous, so do not attempt this if you're not properly trained to do so. And you should still practice the rule of thirds. A third for your entry, a third for your exit, and a third for emergencies. And now that we got all that out of the way, let's go dive.
The Spiegel Grove has 8 permanent mooring balls attached to it. For this dive, we are going down mooring ball number 6. This will put us in a great position to find the entrance of the hallway. Once we get to the bottom of the line, we will start to make our way mid-ship. When you see the 3-inch 50 caliber guns, you are almost there. Go past the guns and down to level 1, and you will find the entrance right below. The hallway looks pitch black at first glance, but once you peek inside, you will see light from the access panels cut into the sides. Follow this hallway all the way down until it turns. When you reach the end of the hallway, take the turn and you will find Snoopy on the floor in the passage. This is a great time to take some pictures and celebrate a little with your dive buddies. After this point, there are several ways you can continue your dive. You can keep going down the hallway to the other side, go down the stairs to the next level's hallways, or you can go through the galley out towards the bow.
guys, well, I hope you found this video helpful or interesting at least. If you got any kind of value out of it, please like and subscribe our channel, and we really appreciate it. And we'll see you on the next one. Oh, there's a sea turtle right over here.